All right, folks, here we are again at mgmclassiccars.com. Today we have a 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass that just came in, finished in this beautiful original blue color, excellent vinyl top, really nice car that I wanted to present to you guys. The chrome is excellent. Dual exhaust, glass is good. Like I said, brand new vinyl top. Paint is really slick on the car, and it's got gorgeous interior. Look how nice these door jambs are. All original, great door panels, excellent bucket seat console car with the center console, seat belts all intact. Got some added speakers on the bottom, tight headliner. Both of the lights on the interior function as well. Beautiful cluster showing 74,000 and some change. They left their stock radio there and added, obviously, the Bluetooth radio. There's our new MGM air freshener. There's your center console. They added the B&M shifter. Look how easy this thing is to fire up. Isn't that nice, folks? Look how that closes. Well, this car is available here at mgmclassiccars.com. You can check us out. We have over 150 of these beauties in stock. We own these vehicles. We really do not consign here. So check it out at mgmclassiccars.com, where you can view all the photos. And you can also fill out a credit application if you're in need for that. Check us out there. We got 10% down. Beautiful. Everything about this car is really nice. So if you've been looking for a 69 Cutlass buckets console 350 with the automatic trans and dual exhaust and excellent, I mean really nice paint and vinyl top, you found it right here. For delivery, you can send me a text message or call me with your zip code. I'd rather you guys text, it's a little bit quicker, but either way is fine. I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Again, thanks for watching mgmclassiccars.com.